Hey there, Joyce here. In today's video, we're going to review this full bed frame with headboard. This is, I got sent out this one for review. You don't need any box spring and it will be a non-slip and noise-free. And I'm sure that it will be a very nice and smooth assembly. So let me show you what it has in the box. It includes everything you need, and as you can see, some of the items that were included on the box were hidden in the back part of the frame, bed frame. And here it is. You just open this zipper and we'll see all of the missing parts that you may think that are missing, but they are not. Okay, so here is everything that you will need to put it together. Okay, so it is really easy to install. Here it has a few parts to install it. Now let's put the H1 screw here, and then you will be putting the same parts on the other. It also includes this tool, which is really nice. I hadn't seen this tool before, and I think that it's really useful for putting together these bed frame. Okay, now let's just put this one right here. Once that you have the legs of this part, and you will just put the screws right here and just tighten them up with this tool. Then unfold these parts, and these will go on the sides and on the center as well. Basically, you will be building a cross right here and put them together. Just adjust them very well. And once that you have these cross, you will be putting the sides, which are of the same material that the bed frame right here. And you will be putting these parts on the sides. It has 4 parts, and all of those are named, so don't worry about that. It's really straightforward to install it. As you can see, we didn't use any other tool but the ones that were included here in the box. And then you will install finally this part, the backrest, or yes, the backrest, and then just adjust it here on the legs of the bed frame with these 4 screws right here, and then just adjust them really well. And this is the last step, where you will be putting these tables right here, these wood pieces right here, and just make sure that you unfold them very well so you can actually put the mattress on top of it. And this is how it looks. This is a final result once that the mattress is on the bed frame. It looks really nice, really modern, and as I told you, it doesn't make any noise, and it has also some anti-slippery things on the bottom of the legs. And of course, it supports very well the weight, so you don't have to worry about that either.